Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing permissions and clarifying legal boundaries in Brookhaven. This avoids fines. Once done, pick 3 high-value zones to cover and decide wired versus battery cameras. Make sure to factor power, Wi-Fi reach, and recording needs up front. You'll mark mounting heights and sight lines now so installers know where to run cable or position solar panels. This first action set prevents rework and ensures your system will record usable evidence when you need it. Next, focus on solid physical installation and reliable connectivity. You'll test Wi-Fi or run PoE with surge protection to the recorder. This reduces dropout. Once you have strong signal or cable, mount cameras 8-10 feet high and tilt to capture faces and plates while avoiding glare. Make sure to seal all penetrations and conceal cabling to deter tampering. Then configure each camera's IP, set NTP time sync, and verify continuous recording to local NVR or cloud storage for redundancy. To finish, validate recordings for at least 24-72 hours and fine-tune motion detection zones to reduce false alerts. You should secure camera accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication, then apply firmware updates to close vulnerabilities. Once complete, label cables and store login info securely. If problems happen, first check power supplies and PoE injectors, then test signal strength and inspect cable terminations. Addressing those causes usually restores reliable operation without replacing equipment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.